You are in the exam hall. The clock is moving fast. You know the answers, but time runs out. Why does this happen, and how do toppers finish early? Here is a simple challenge. Count how many of these mistakes you make, and comment your number at the end. If your number is high, do not worry. You are about to fix it. First, stop reading questions passively. Read with a purpose. Underline key numbers, units, and what the question is asking. Focus on command words like find, solve, prove, or simplify. Many students lose marks not because they do not know the method, but because they misread one word. Take 2 extra seconds here. It can save 2 minutes later, and protect your accuracy. Second, start with the easiest questions. This builds speed and confidence. Do not begin with the hardest one. Your brain warms up with simple problems, just like muscles before exercise. Mark difficult questions and return to them later. When you come back, your mind is clearer and faster. This is not avoidance, it is smart exam control. Third, use rough work smartly. Keep it clean and organized. Write steps in a clear line, and leave small gaps between steps. When your rough work is messy, you waste time finding your own numbers, or you repeat the same step again. A clean layout helps your brain think faster, track logic easily, and reduce errors. Fourth, learn standard methods deeply. Common algebra steps, fraction simplification, percentage tricks, and basic formulas should feel automatic. Practice them again and again until they become reflex. In the exam, your brain should recognize patterns instantly. Speed comes from familiarity, not from rushing. Fifth, estimate before solving fully. Look at the options or expected range. If the answer should be around 50, and you get 500, something is wrong. This quick mental check prevents careless mistakes. It also helps you catch errors early, before you waste more time continuing with a wrong path. Sixth, manage calculations wisely. Break large numbers into smaller parts. Use mental math where possible. For example, instead of multiplying 25 by 16 directly, think 25 times 4 times 4. It is faster, simpler, and easier to track. Small tricks like this can save many seconds on each question. Seventh, avoid oversolving. If the question needs 2 steps, do not do 5. Many students write extra steps to feel safe, but it slows them down and increases the chance of mistakes. Trust the method you practiced, and move forward with confidence. Eighth, use time blocks. Give each question a fixed time. For example, 1 minute or 2 minutes, depending on difficulty. If time ends, move on without hesitation. This protects your total score. One difficult question should not steal time from 5 easier ones that you could solve correctly. Ninth, check only what matters. Do not resolve everything. Check final answers, signs, units, and key steps. Look for common mistakes like negative signs, wrong units, or calculation slips. A focus check is faster and more effective than checking everything again.